What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles, and you're looking at a 2009 Harley Davidson Road King Classic. Guys, this is a great looking bike. I think right around like 30K on this beast. It's blue. It's got some flaws. I'm going to show them to you. But it's a local guy that traded it in. He traded it in to us. It was a little sad to see it go, but it's a killer bike. Obviously, it's got the 96 with the 6-speed. This one has Screaming Eagle pipes. Actually, I'm very impressed with the shape he kept these bags in. I know he said he took them off and he would take them off, but the latches are actually, in my opinion, they're in impeccable condition considering some of the bags that I get in on some of the bikes. But these are in great shape. Some of the biggest flaws on this bike. Right back here on the seat, this is actually pretty common, with the whole seat location and the screws of it. This happened to mine too, and sometimes stuff rubs against it if you have a rack or something like that. But it's got two worn grooves on either side there. You can see those. That's the pretty big flaw on the back side. As I move up the bike, this side of the tank is in pretty darn good shape. There is a little bit, I don't even know if you can see it, discoloration right there, if you can see that. And then obviously the gas just kind of comes out on that. Kind of happens over time. Not a huge deal. We got a little scratch, scuff right there. All of it's in pretty good shape, guys. I mean, the chrome's in good shape, grips are in good shape, tags and everything are in good shape. Front fender's in pretty good shape. We got some scratches right there. There's a scratch right there. And it all looks pretty good to me, guys. Lower forks, they're fading. It's pretty typical with these. Couple little scratches right down in there. And then it does have a little scratch, and it's indented just a smidge right there on the top of the tank. This bag looks pretty good. Latches look good. Seat looks like it's in good shape. Backrest is in good shape. Now the top of this, it's all in pretty good shape, guys. Yeah. 35,472. A little bit of wear right around the key area there, but that's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna fire it up. This bike does have cruise control, so that's a super nice feature. One thing I want to note, the windshield's pretty dirty, kind of scratched up, and the bag does have some cracking in it along there. Guys, this bike's in pretty good shape. Like I showed you the flaws. It's got cruise, which is an awesome option to add. It's got white walls on it, and they are almost barely, the nipples are still on this front. So tires are in great shape, guys. This bike is in killer condition. Like I said, some scratches here and there, but to be honest with you, the tires are in great shape, and I'm amazed at how nice those bags are, just for the age and just, with the shape I've seen some of those in. But thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive on this bike. I'm Sean's going to love this. He's a huge Road King fan. But thanks a ton for watching, guys, and have a good one.